Ahead of the Edo 2024 governorship election, Dr. Ernest Umakhihe don enter Benin to let the good people of Edo know say he still dey the race and say he dey assure them of good governance. Una go remember say some days ago, Edo Unity League Worldwide wey be non-partisan socio-cultural organization for Edo with members from the 18 local government areas of Edo buy the expression of interest and nomination form for one of their member, Dr. Ernest Umakhihe, to contest for the office of Edo Governor come September 21, 2024. The group wey dey represented by some board of trustee members come carry waka enter the All Progressive Congress APC National Secretariat for Wadata Plaza, Abuja to see the Deputy National Organizing Secretary Nze Chididuru wey come present the expression of interest form and nomination form to Edo Unity League Director of Youth Organization Mavis Ohanredia. The Deputy National Organizing Secretary Nze Chididuru come talk say,
"Thank you through you, our aspirants, for first nursing ambition, which is very important, to fly our party in the forthcoming election in the states. And the national chairman has also asked me to inform all the aspirants that the responsibility of vetting, screening, and determining who becomes our candidates in the forthcoming election is domiciled in the NWC, the National Working Committee of the party. And the National Working Committee of the party have not abandoned that responsibility, or have they vested that authority to any other subnational. And therefore, the exercise to vet and to screen will only happen in February through a committee that will be set up by the NWC, and we're in the process of setting up that committee. And we will ensure and guarantee free, fair, transparent primaries. What we want is the person that win the primaries for us, win the primaries and win the election. Ultimately for the party in Edo State. We want to go into the basket of a community of APC voices. It's that important. We cannot just have one lone voice in the South, which Cross River currently represents. We want another major states within the basket, and then hopefully we can also translate to other states in Edo State. So that is the assurance that comes from the national chairman.
After the group collect the form for the APC National Secretariat, they come present the form on behalf of the group to Dr. Ernest Umakhihe. Dr. Ernest, after the presentation, come talk say,
"Thank you so very much. I want to assure you, this confidence you have reposed in me, I will not fail you, I will not fail the people of Edo State. My own is, I've always asked that because of the little I've done, I need to be given more work so that I can touch the life of every Edolite. And together we move and make sure Edo State blossoms. And the citizen will appreciate after all the work would have done that yes, somebody has come into the picture and he will change the fortunes for good. And in my campaign booklet, I've said it's a fresh start for shared prosperity. And that is what is going to be when I clinch this ticket.
Now this one can make men, women, youth, different cultural groups from across the 18 local governments of Edo on Sunday 28 January 2024 from 7 o'clock in the morning to 20 minutes past 2 for afternoon. Sit down and wait patiently to welcome Dr. Ernest Umakhihe and OON, will be one of the All Progressive Congress APC governorship aspirants back home. After inland, Dr. Ernest Umakhihe for in talk with his supporters for Benin Airport come talk say belle sweet and wella for the support wey people they give him, and say he know how his supporters feel a week ago when be like say the movement can't get K-leg, but say now he don't get the forms and say he assure them of good governance for Edo if he become the governor of Edo State. Dr. Ernest contrary salute to everybody waiting there for the airport to welcome him and come still talk say,
I say make I thank you now very well,
I thank you now all. This crowd there, I do overwhelmed though. I do overwhelmed though. I must say, about a week ago, when it be like say, the movement can't get small comma, I know how disappointed all of una dey. And today, when una hear say, I don't collect the form,
The next governor of Edo State.
now no say that I was at the Benin straight. And today we are not here. So all of them know say for this Benin land, from 94, Edo College, University of Benin, I don't spend over 31 years. I spent over 31 years for this Benin land. And that mama, now there I stay for 4 years. So and from Edo North, they born me. Now there I go primary school. So now me be this. I don't offer myself for now. To serve now. Support and they look for so that all of us will move to government house. That's November. Now these places I want to see are more. So I say make I thank you now. Make I thank you now. Thank you for your support. From here we dey move to my campaign office.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.